Hey, welcome back to Bobji's Corner. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Barb. I think it's time to do a garlic harvest. Look at that bed back here. Which way am I going? Right there. That one right there is kind of brown. So I thought I'd bring you along. Look at this bed. It's all turning brown. The stems, everything. So it's way past its time to be pulled. And I was going to do it earlier, but it was raining again. And I'm trying to get the soil to dry out. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those yet. But I just want to start with this one right here. All right, let's get to it. Guys, this is all out of the one bed, and they're awfully small. I don't know if you can see that, but they're awfully small. I thought for sure they were like dying because they looked all brown in there. Apparently not, but then again, I don't know if they're supposed to be small. These are the Spanish, I don't know how to say it, R-O-J-A. I spell it every single time I refer to these. I thought I would jump in at this point because I am going to continue with my garlic harvest. I already harvested these, and the video does show me harvesting these, but I never came back and did a little intro or anything within the video showing, okay, it's been a couple of weeks, now I'm gonna harvest the other two beds. So what I'm doing now is what I should have done before. So let's continue with this video and show you how I'm harvesting. Okay, so as you see here, this is the first pile I pulled up, and it's been sitting here curing, and this is all ready for me to clean up because this is all dried up. So I need to clean these up, give it a haircut, and store them. These I'm going to have to let cure and let them sit here until they're done curing. I think I may just leave these here and take care of everything all at the same time. I haven't quite decided yet. And then what I'll do is I'll bring you for the next step. It's been a few days, so I decided to, this morning is such a nice morning. It's cooled down. We had some thunderstorms roll through. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of these. I'm going to move these out of here and go to the other side of the porch and trim them up, clean them up, and put them in a basket. ended up with a nice basket full. And this is out of one bed. So I think I'm just gonna leave this out on the porch and let it continue to dry. And when it's all dried up, because some of these, as you can see, it's green, so they still need to cure. Once they're cured, then they'll go in the basement. So that's where I'm gonna leave them for now. They're gonna sit there until they're completely dried out. The others, I decided I'm just gonna leave them and keep them going as they are and do the same thing. Once they're ready, I'll trim them up and leave them out here so that they can cure as well, until they're completely dried out. And there's some of my onions. I pulled a few of them up that looked like they were better off being pulled, especially this one right here. Look at that. But I did get a couple of decent ones. I still have a lot more in the garden, but these were the ones that I pulled up. They were being, how do you call it, choked out with weeds. So those will stay there and cure as well. I think this is a good spot. So thank you once again for joining me in Bobchi's Corner. Well, I took care of my garlic, pulled them out, harvested. So I hope to see you soon. Until next time.